battery cannot be charged or dead, belongs to the protection state, need to do reset processing. When the machine is not used for a certain period of time, it will enter a power-saving protection mode. To reset it, locate the reset hole, a small hole on the back of the machine, and gently poke it with a needle or toothpick. This will restart the machine, allowing it to be used again. Reset hole. Gently poke with a needle or toothpick to reset it, allowing the machine to restart and be used again. If resetting does not solve your problem, you can try formatting the device. If it shuts down or the screen turns off quickly, please check the settings for display settings, sleep timer, and power off timer and adjust them as needed. The corresponding function operation, please watch the previous operation video with the following title.